Properties of matter. Okay. Properties of matter are characteristics they possess or display that distinguishes each one from the other. Similarities and differences among matter form of basis for their classification. Properties of matter can be classified into physical and chemical. Matter has also general and special properties. General properties of matter. It describes the matter in any way, may vary with the amount of substance present. A. Mass is the amount or content of substance present in a body. Weight is appeal of gravity to an object toward the center of the earth. Volume, the space occupied by matter. Density, the mass per unit volume. Impenetrability, it states that no objects can occupy the same space at the same time. Special properties of matter are characteristics of matter found in specific type of matter. A. Compressibility, the action of molecules to be compacted, especially in gas. Here are some examples of compressibility: the tires, the balloon. B. Hardness. It is the resistance of an object to be pounded. Example, rocks, nails, and marbles. Next, capillarity is the ability of molecule to move upward in a closed tube. Like here, capillarity in plants, capillarity in a closed tube. Okay, when the water goes to the roots of the plant and goes to the other parts of it. Next, malleability. It is the ability of an object to be hammered. Example, hammering metals to make coins and galvanized iron. Okay. Next, elasticity. It is the ability of an object to be stretched without breaking and go back its original form. Example, rubber bands and spring. Next, conductivity. The capacity of an object to conduct heat and electricity. Example, copper wire in electrical circuit, aluminum casserole for cooking. Okay. Next is surface tension. It is the tendency of the surface of liquid to act like a thin sheet of elastic membrane, like paperclip on water and water strider. This is a species of spider, water strider. Okay. Next, porosity. It is the ability of matter to absorb liquid like sponge and wood, like that. Next, buoyancy. The tendency of a float or rise when it is submerged in a liquid, or the ability to exert an upward force when an object is placed in it, like this boat and this. Okay. Next, pressure. The force exerted by the molecules of gas or liquid. Pressure exerted by the molecules of liquid and pressure exerted by the molecules of gas. And next, physical properties are characteristics of matter that can be readily observed using our senses. Two properties. One, intrinsic properties does not depend on the amount of the material you have. Example, buoyancy, color, density, ductility, texture, state, magnetism, odor, elasticity, malleability, and hardness. Next, extrinsic properties depends on the amount of matter like length, volume, mass, weight, conductance, and resistance. And this is the states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. This is the three phases of matter and their properties. Just look at the table and analyze it. Okay. And plasma, the fourth state of matter. So plasma is an ionized gas. A plasma is a very good conductor or electricity and is affected by magnetic fields. Plasmas, like gases, have an indefinite shape and an indefinite volume. And that's it. Thank you for listening.